Introduce highlight features or overview of JOOWIN wireless USB Wi-Fi adapter. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: AC1300 standard wireless dual-band USB Wi-Fi adapter for faster and higher speed Wi-Fi connection. The USB Wi-Fi adapter speeds up to 400 MB on 2.4 GHz band and 867 MB on 5 GHz band. This wireless Wi-Fi adapter is equipped with a USB 3.0 interface. It makes the data transmission more stable and 10 times faster than USB 2.0. Equipped with 256 QAM, it can carry more data at the same time. Our USB wireless adapter supports signal receiving and transmitting. Besides Wi-Fi adapter function, Soft AP mode can turn the wired network of your PC or laptop into a Wi-Fi hotspot. 2 external high-gain omnidirectional antennas, 360 degrees full omnidirectional Wi-Fi signal. The coverage area and coverage depth of the signal are increased, wall penetration has been significantly improved. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.